Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to clear search history on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to clear search history on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app on your phone and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to clear your search history. And at the top left corner of the screen guys, you can see there is our Bitmoji icon. Tap on it just beside the magnifying glass icon. And on this interface guys, at the top right corner of the screen, again there is the settings or the gear icon. Tap on it and scroll down from over here until the end of the page, and you can see guys, under the category of account sections there is the clear search history option available for us. Tap on that and tap on clear, and then your search history on Snapchat will be clear. And then guys, this is how you clear your search history on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.